Introduction to 7-Zip File Compression.
7-Zip is a free open-source tool for compressing files and folders on Windows. It helps reduce file size and makes sharing or storing data more efficient. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download, install, and use 7-Zip to create compressed archives easily and quickly.
Downloading and installing 7-Zip.
Visit the official 7-Zip website and select the correct version for your Windows system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Download the installer and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, 7-Zip can be launched from the Start menu or accessed via right-click menus in File Explorer.
Selecting files and folders to compress.
Locate the files or folders you want to compress using File Explorer. To select multiple items, hold the Control key while clicking each one. Once your files are highlighted, right-click on any of the selected items to see the context menu. This is where you'll find the 7-Zip options.
Creating a compressed archive.
From the right-click menu, hover over the 7-Zip option and select Add to Archive. In the window that appears, choose your preferred archive format, such as 7Z or ZIP. You can also set a compression level and give your archive a name. Click OK, and 7-Zip will create the compressed file in the same folder.
Setting a password and advanced options.
When adding to an archive, you can set a password to protect your files. Enter a password in the encryption section of the archive window before clicking OK. You can also explore options like splitting archives or adjusting compression methods for advanced needs. This adds extra security or customization as needed.
Extracting and managing compressed files.
To extract files, right-click the archive and select 7-Zip. Then choose Extract Here or Extract to Folder Name. 7-Zip will decompress the contents to your chosen location. You can also open archives with 7-Zip's main interface for more management options, such as viewing or adding files.
Conclusion and tips.
Compressing files with 7-Zip saves space and makes sharing easier. Remember to choose the right archive format and use passwords if needed for security. Practice with different settings to find what works best for your needs. With 7-Zip, managing file compression on Windows is simple and efficient.